In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the top side reflector on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located in the grille. Let's get started. To remove the headlight assembly, we're going to remove these two 5mm rods using a 5mm socket. Pull the two rods out of the housing. And pull the headlight forward. There's two metal nuts on the back of our reflectors. We're going to use a 13mm wrench and remove them. Pull the reflector out of the front. Install the reflector. Get the nut started. Snug the nut down. Do the same thing on the bottom. Get them nice and snug. And we can reinstall our housing. Install the headlight into place. Install the rods. Snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.